Welcome to a journey of automation, creativity, and unstoppable growth. In this video, I am revealing exactly how I built a viral, faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT in just 30 days. This strategy can help you turn simple ideas into massive audiences and consistent income. Stay till the end to learn the exact process step by step. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful AI YouTube growth secrets. 1. Discovering the faceless channel potential. The idea of a faceless YouTube channel might sound strange, but it's actually one of the smartest ways to grow fast in today's creator economy. When I first started, I spent hours studying what viewers truly cared about, and I realized something powerful. People don't watch videos because of faces. They watch because of value. That's when I began using ChatGPT to generate captivating scripts that instantly caught attention. AI helped me produce more content, faster, while maintaining storytelling depth and precision. I analyzed top-performing competitors, learning exactly which ideas resonated most with audiences. By keeping production automated, I saved countless hours while improving overall video quality. Each upload became a calculated experiment in engagement and retention. Over time, my faceless approach turned into a brand with consistency and trust. Success didn't come from showing up on camera, it came from showing up with strategy. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI channel strategies. 2. Finding my viral niche with ChatGPT. Before going viral, I had to find the right niche, one that balanced passion, audience demand, and opportunity. ChatGPT became my research partner, helping me explore hundreds of topics until I discovered my perfect fit. The secret was finding something people loved but few creators had mastered. Using AI, I analyzed trends, emotional triggers, and search data to identify content that would resonate deeply. In just a few hours, I had a roadmap of viral video ideas ready for production. My chosen theme was financial freedom through AI, blending motivation, education, and real-world examples. That combination hooked viewers instantly. Every video built on the last, creating consistency in tone, message, and visual identity. ChatGPT's guidance helped me understand not only what to make, but why it would work. As my channel grew, my audience grew with it, forming a loyal base, eager for every new drop. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more niche discovery tips. 3. Writing viral scripts with ChatGPT. This was the turning point that accelerated everything. Instead of spending hours struggling with words, I started using ChatGPT to write scripts that were emotionally charged, structured, and built for high retention. I learned how to prompt it properly to get cinematic storytelling that hooked viewers in the first 10 seconds. ChatGPT helped me craft intros that sparked curiosity, transitions that kept flow seamless, and conclusions that left lasting impressions. Each script followed proven engagement psychology, open loops, storytelling tension, and emotional relatability. Over time, I blended AI's precision with my creative instincts, producing content that sounded both professional and human. My writing speed tripled, yet quality improved drastically. Each upload became an opportunity to refine tone, pacing, and delivery. The more I created, the more confident I became in my unique, faceless voice. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI script writing secrets. 4. Creating AI-generated voiceovers. Once my scripts were complete, I used AI to generate natural, studio-quality voiceovers, that brought them to life. Gone were the robotic tones of old software. Modern AI voices sounded realistic, expressive, and emotionally engaging. I experimented with pitch, pacing, and emphasis until every narration matched the energy of the story. The result felt premium and professional without needing expensive microphones or voice actors. Each video had its own vibe: calm for educational pieces, energetic for motivational content. Viewers began complimenting the smooth delivery and clarity, often unaware it was AI-generated. These voiceovers helped me scale production without sacrificing quality or authenticity. Combined with ChatGPT's powerful writing, they gave my videos a polished, cinematic feel. I no longer needed a face to express emotion; the voice carried everything. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI voiceover strategies. Click the link in the description to start creating yours today. 5. Designing thumbnails that trigger clicks. A great thumbnail doesn't just grab attention, it commands it. I started using AI art tools like Midjourney and Leonardo AI to craft visuals that made viewers stop scrolling. Every thumbnail told a story using emotion, contrast, and simplicity. I tested colors, layouts, and text styles to find what made people click. Strong emotions, minimal clutter, and bold headlines consistently performed best. ChatGPT helped me test matching titles and visuals that complemented each other perfectly. Over time, I developed a recognizable visual style that built trust and curiosity simultaneously. My thumbnails became part of my channel's identity, driving thousands of organic clicks. Once I mastered emotional design, my click-through rates skyrocketed. The thumbnail became more than an image; it became an invitation. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more thumbnail creation secrets. Click the link below to learn how to make visuals that convert. 6. Optimizing titles and descriptions with ChatGPT. Titles and descriptions are the front doors to every video. I used ChatGPT to brainstorm multiple title versions until I found the most curiosity-driven one that also fits search intent. It taught me how to mix emotion with SEO without losing authenticity. Each description reinforced the promise of the title, leading viewers toward engagement or conversion. I even had ChatGPT write detailed tags, summaries, and keyword phrases to maximize discoverability. Soon, my videos began showing up in recommended feeds and search results far more often. I realized that optimization wasn't guesswork. It was structure and precision. Every word mattered, from the first capital letter to the last sentence. This simple shift multiplied my organic reach and transformed my traffic flow. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more optimization strategies. Click the link in the description to start perfecting your YouTube metadata today. 7. Maintaining consistent uploads. Staying consistent was one of the biggest challenges I faced until I discovered how to automate the entire process with AI. ChatGPT became my ultimate planning partner, helping me create a detailed content calendar, batch write multiple scripts in advance, and organize uploads for weeks ahead. Posting regularly trained not just the YouTube algorithm, but also my audience to expect new content on specific days. This rhythm built trust, anticipation, and reliability, the three pillars of long-term growth. AI analytics tools constantly monitored performance, identifying which topics, titles, and formats performed best, allowing me to refine my content strategy intelligently. As my workflow became more structured, I spent less time producing and more time optimizing. With automation handling repetitive tasks, burnout became a thing of the past, and scaling felt effortless. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content consistency hacks. Click the link in the description below to start automating your upload schedule today. 8. Building audience engagement. Engagement is what transforms a channel from a simple platform into a thriving community that feels alive. I used ChatGPT to craft natural, creative call to actions that encourage genuine interaction rather than forced responses. Each video invited viewers to share opinions, answer fun or thought-provoking questions, and comment with their own ideas. This approach made them feel involved and valued, not just like an audience, but active participants. I even used AI to help write friendly, personalized replies that kept conversations going, creating consistent interaction even as my audience grew. Over time, engagement metrics improved dramatically, comments multiplied, watch time increased, and YouTube's algorithm began recommending my videos to wider audiences. AI analytics also showed which audience groups engaged the most, allowing me to tailor content for their interests and preferences. I realized real growth doesn't come from chasing views, it comes from nurturing relationships. When people feel seen, they stay longer, share more, and help your channel grow naturally. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more engagement-building strategies. Click the link below to start creating your loyal YouTube community today. Engagement is what transforms a channel from a simple platform into a thriving 9. Monetizing my faceless channel. Once engagement started growing, I focused on monetizing my channel strategically. I activated ads, added affiliate links, and promoted AI tools that truly aligned with my audience's interests. Instead of forcing sales, I integrated these recommendations naturally within my storytelling, making them feel organic and trustworthy. ChatGPT helped me write persuasive yet genuine mentions that added value instead of pressure. Soon, passive income began to flow in, even from older videos that continued performing well. I built multiple revenue streams, from ads to sponsorships, creating steady earnings while keeping content authentic. Every dollar earned was reinvested into better AI tools, improving video quality, reach, and workflow efficiency. Monetization became less about luck and more about structure, trust, and consistent value delivery. With time, my faceless channel evolved into a self-sustaining business that generated income 24/7. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart monetization tips. Click the link in the description to learn how to turn your faceless brand into profit. 10. Scaling beyond the first 30 days. After my first 30 days on YouTube, I realized I had truly cracked the code to consistent, scalable success. My strategy was simple yet powerful: AI-powered scripting, automation, consistency, and data-driven optimization. These 4 pillars became the foundation of my faceless channel's growth. ChatGPT served as my creative partner, helping me brainstorm viral ideas, refine scripts, and analyze what worked best for my audience. I began repurposing long-form videos into shorts, expanding reach without extra effort, and cross-promoting on social media platforms for maximum visibility. Each video became smarter than the last, feeding valuable insights back into my process. Growth soon turned exponential. Subscribers increased rapidly, income multiplied, and workflow efficiency improved dramatically. The best part was the freedom this system gave me. No filming stress, no burnout, just automation, working silently in the background. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI scaling strategies. Click the link in the description to begin your faceless YouTube empire today. Thank you for watching until the end. You have now seen how I built a viral, faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT in just 30 days. If you take consistent action, you can replicate this exact strategy for your own success. Start now, automate smartly, and keep learning. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful AI YouTube growth secrets. Click the link in the description below to get started.